got some products from Beauty by Earth and I want to check them out with you. So let's go! Hi everybody! I've received some products from Beauty by Earth, which is an organic, natural, cruelty-free skincare line. They have soaps, they have face creams, they have body washes and deodorant, just everything organic, all natural. And they actually sent me some products. They sent me their award-winning eye cream and their face oil for Balance and Restore. So I'm going to check them out. I'm going to test them out. They also sent me some stickers in the packaging, as well as a letter, and just, you know, hope you like our order. It's just all really about connecting with the customer, making the customer feel like, hey, if you have any questions, you could ask me at any time, which is actually what this bottom part says. It says, you know, if you ever have any questions, or even if you need any support, you know, feel free to contact them. So it's all about giving in a way. So with that being said, the first thing I'm gonna try will be the Coffee Bean Eye Cream, and this is meant to brighten and awaken. I tend to get dark circles, I tend to get bags under my eye. So with this, it says all you really need is to put a few dots of eye cream around your eyes in the morning, at night. With a finger, you pat it dry, you pat it down, and just be very, very delicate. So I'm gonna try that out right now, see if there's an immediate difference or a difference at any point. So I just took a little bit, and I'm just gonna dab it down there. It doesn't smell like coffee, which is a bonus, because sometimes I don't like that too strong of a coffee smell. It kind of goes deep into the, well, it kind of absorbs into the skin right away. So right now I don't see too much of a difference, but I do believe this is one of those products that consistency is really going to show over time, or at least that's what I've seen in the reviews, that using it consistently morning and night really helps. So I'll definitely come back to that maybe in a couple days to see if it really brightens and awakens my eye. For the most part, there is no real residue. It doesn't give the most moisturizing effect on your eye, but it does just like soak it in right away. So as I'm tapping it, it does feel smooth, but it also doesn't feel like anything's there. So I'm not sure if I should be putting more, if I should just be using that amount. But for right now, it's in my skin. I don't think I'll really see any results until I use it consistently. So hopefully I'll follow back with that and let you guys know. With that being said, the next Beauty and Earth item is the Balance and Restore Luxury Face Oil. Now, I'm actually very, very excited about this because I'm a huge fan of serums and facial oils, just because they're lighter on the skin, which works better for me. They don't oversaturate my face. So as you can see, well, I don't know if you could really see, but it's kind of like up to here. So there is some air in it. It's not like 100% full. But as I'm looking at it and turning it around, it does have an opaque look to it. So there is some shine in there. Let's try it out. Okay, so yeah, it's yellow. It looks like it's not too liquidy. I'm just gonna put like 3 drops. It's not that much. So it is very light on your skin. It has like a nice sheer moisturizer feel to it. It's very, very light. It doesn't cause too much of a dewy glow that you usually get with oilier serums, but it has a nice luminescent sheen, if you could see. I would definitely say the 3 drops wasn't enough for my whole face, so you might have to use just a little bit more. It doesn't spread around as much as another serum that I've used would, so it really is just about making sure it gets everywhere. But for the most part, it has like a nice natural glow to my skin. It feels good, and there isn't too strong of a scent. For now though, I do like it because of how lightweight it is, how sheer it is. I definitely also think with serums, it's one of those things that after using it for, let's say, 3 days to a week, then you'll really start to see how it affects your skin, what it does to it. So give it some time and see the results a little bit later. Bye. It has been 3 days and I have been using the eye cream and facial oil every morning and every night. So after 3 days, I definitely have to say I feel like the pigmentation under my eye isn't as dark, but just by like a slight little bit. It's not a drastic difference. But then again, it's only been 3 days of me using it morning and night. I can see why someone might say, after a month of using this, it has lightened up my under eye. It's also made me seem more awake, because definitely in the morning, and when I use it in the morning and my eyes are puffy from just waking up, within a couple minutes, I look awake. The puffiness is down. At nighttime, I don't really see too much of a difference, but then again, I'm putting it at night before I go to sleep, and then I'm waking up with puffy eyes. So in terms of the eye cream, I definitely can see some type of subtle difference from putting it on in the morning. Long term, I think it is something that can affect your under eye area and the puffiness and can make you look more awake, but I would say you'd have to be very, very consistent with using it. So every morning, every night, and just keeping up that consistency. As for the luxury face oil, that one I didn't see a huge difference. I do have it on right now, so I have that little sheen that I usually get with any type of facial oil. But I will say the one thing that I like about this facial oil is just how light and sheer it is. It's not too heavy on my face, and it also just provides like a clean luminescent shine instead of something that's just too oily. Overall, I think these products are something that takes time to see results. But then again, when it comes to your skincare, you should always be consistent because it is your foundation. Whether you're putting on makeup, whether you're not, just always taking care of your skin and really, really learning what's best for you. And with that, these are my results from using Beauty by Earth's Coffee Bean Eye Cream and Balance and Restore Luxury Face Oil. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it out for yourself. And thank you. Bye.